This works, right? So we were supposed to go to Tivoli last night. We did not because we got very drunk. Met some people from Brazil and Iceland somehow in Christiania, and we got very drunk, so we did not go to Tivoli. So we are going to Tivoli now, and guess what? Instead of 32 plus and a lot of sun, we are today having what?
16 and rain.
16 degrees and rain.
Yeah. And no umbrella.
And no umbrella. So the first thing we're going to do is we checked out of our hotel. We're going to the train station and we're going to lock up the bags.
And have breakfast for the love of God.
Then we're going to have breakfast for the love of God because we are very hungry. And then we're going to Tivoli in the rain. Hopefully there is no people there when it's raining, we hope, where everyone is as stupid as we are. And then after that, we haven't decided yet where we're going. So we'll see. Maybe Malmö. Maybe some other place in Europe. We'll see. Maybe home. Nay, no, not going home. Nay, not going home. And correction from yesterday. We were in the world's oldest amusement park, but that was not the world's oldest roller coaster, because I mixed them up. Because rutschebanan in Tivoli is the oldest one, not rutschebanan in Bakken. So we're going to ride the oldest one today. So the one we were riding yesterday opened 1932. So it's kind of young compared to this one. See you later.
Bye.
So we left the station. Now we bought ponchos because it's raining like freaking hell.
We are sexy motherfuckers.
And we are very sexy. Of course, Jona decided to buy the black ones because those look very cool. The problem is the black ones looks like trash bags. So we are walking around in big trash bags in Tivoli. I was about to say Gröna Lund, that's a different place. Tivoli in Copenhagen. And this far, it's a very cozy park, and I now found the beer garden. That's the most important. Back home, and today we are going to ride a helicopter actually at home. So they're landing and I can hear them. I don't know where. Yeah, there it is. We're going to ride in this thing. Right in our own backyard.